Hi, good morning.
Good morning, madam.
How are you today?
I'm fine, madam. Good.
Please tell me about your work experience.
So I'm only working here in Dubai, madam, 4 years in house as a housemaid. In one sponsor only.
Okay, what were your duties and responsibilities on that job?
Only for working house like this only, madam.
Like
No
what?
other like cleaning, cooking like this.
What was the nationality of your employer?
Iranian, madam.
How many members in the family?
Only two, madam.
How old are the children?
Children is not all. They are not staying at home, madam. They are all in Canada.
Why did you decide not to continue to work with them?
Cause they're not giving me more salary.
What is your salary expectation?
They give me only 1.3, then I want 1.5. Cause I'm becoming 6 years now. If I will renew again,
What is your favorite task between cooking, cleaning, and babysitting?
so I'm anything I can.
What type of food can you cook?
Iranian food I can.
How do you know if the baby is sick in terms of babysitting?
So I can also maybe if something's different between her or him like this.
What is your first action when a baby cries out loud?
So I maybe it's hungry like this. So I will give some milk or it's still baby. I give milk like this or what if something maybe sick. Yeah.
What is the first thing that you will do if the child gets sick?
I call to her mom if it's not at home. Then I will tell like that.
What are your hobbies?
Um, I do is calling to my home.
Okay. How long do you want to work in UAE?
Mm, Anything I am here, madam, I can work in because it's hard to work in Philippines.
So like how long? Like how many more years do you think you can work here in the UAE?
In 5, 6, like
Okay. Do you think you would be a good full-time maid and why?
yes, because this I want work more because I need to earn money for my family. I continue my house that not finished yet, like that.
Okay. Do you have any message to your future employer?
So my message to my future employer, if they will not give me a release paper, so I will take an open letter for them.
Thank you so much for your time and nice talking to you.